Hello Crafty Llamas, in this video I'm going to be showing you a Noodle Soup sparkle sock in the Death Metal colourway. So here I have the Noodle Soup Sparkle Sock Death Metal. So this is a 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon and 5% lurex, which is your sparkle aspect. This is a 4-ply or fingering weight yarn, so this is perfect for anything that you want to do, like sparkly socks. I've made gloves, you can do hats and a whole bunch of other things. So this is available in my shop as either a skein or a cake, depending on whether you have your own kind of wool winding methods at home. Cakes are an extra £1 just for the kind of service charge, and I make sure that you have both access to the centre strand and the external strand as well. So no matter where you like to knit from, or if you're knitting held double, there's an option for you. So I'm just going to show you how this knits up, because it's a really beautiful yarn. It's locally dyed in Norfolk by Charlie. This is a really nice purple, and it has aspects of kind of green and oranges in it as well. I think it's quite an autumnal colourway. I absolutely love it. I'm quite a big fan of purple and anything kind of sparkly, so for me this is just a no-brainer, to be completely honest. So I'll just grab the gloves that I made out of it to show you what it looks like. So these are the Harvest Hands fingerless gloves that I crocheted using the Death Metal yarn. This used approximately, I think it was about half a skein, so I've got enough to, I'm trying to do a hat now in it, so that I've got matching hat and gloves. So as you can kind of see from these gloves, you get these absolutely stunning kind of purple shades coming out here, and then you get the nice little kind of greeny yellow aspects and nice oranges and lighter purples as well. And I think the kind of sparkle running through it just adds a little extra something. I'm a really big fan of this yarn. It's super soft to work with. It's really nice to knit, and also feels really lovely to wear. This yarn is designed for socks, so it is called the Sturdy Sparkle Sock. So this is a sock specific yarn, but as I've said, I'm not much of a sock knitter, so I made gloves. So that's it for my overview of the Noodle Soup Sturdy Sparkle Sock in the Death Metal colourway. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know by commenting below and liking it. We do have weekly videos, so please do subscribe to my channel. Our social media handle is Crafty Llama UK, and of course you can find us on various platforms using that. If you make anything using this yarn or anything that you buy from Crafty Llama UK, please do tag us. We love to see what you're up to. And of course you can purchase all of the tools in this video from our Etsy shop, which will be linked below. That's it for this week's video, but I'll be back with you for another one next week.